Hello everybody. Welcome to Click English. I'm Tutor Nick. Most languages have a way of talking about an event that happens when something else is already going on. English is no different. Today, you are going to see the past simple and the past continuous used together. I will show you how they tell you when something happened. Let's get started.
Harry was reading a book. His phone rang. He stopped reading. He answered his phone.
What happened?
His phone rang.
What was Harry doing when his phone rang?
He was reading a book.
What did he do when his phone rang?
He stopped reading and answered his phone.
Harry began reading before his phone rang, so when his phone rang, he was reading.
What did you do yesterday morning?
We played tennis.
What were you doing at 10:30?
We were playing tennis.
Jack read a book yesterday. Jack was reading a book when his phone rang.
Did you watch the game on TV last night? Were you watching TV when I phoned you?
It didn't rain while we were on holiday. It wasn't raining when I got up. I started work at 9 o'clock and finished at 4:30. At 2:30 I was working. It was raining when we went out. I saw Lucy and Steve this morning. They were waiting at the bus stop. Kelly fell asleep while she was reading.
Look at the pictures. Put the verbs in the past continuous or past simple. Put the verb into the past continuous or past simple.
Lucy broke her arm last week. It happened when she was painting her room. She fell off the ladder. The train arrived at the station and Paula got off. Two friends of hers, John and Rachel, were waiting to meet her.
Yesterday, Sue was walking along the road when she met James. He was going to the station to catch a train and he was carrying a bag. They stopped to talk for a few minutes.
What was the weather like when you got up this morning?
It was raining.
Was Jane busy when you went to see her?
Yes, she was studying.
Did Paul call you this morning?
Yes, he called while I was having breakfast.
Was Tracy at work today?
No, she didn't go to work. She was ill.
How fast were you driving when the police stopped you?
I'm not sure, but I was not driving very fast. Did your team win the football match yesterday?
The weather was very bad, so we didn't play.
How did you break the window?
We were playing football. I kicked the ball and hit the window.
Did you see Jessica last night?
Yes, she was wearing a very nice jacket.
What were you doing at 2 o'clock this morning?
I was asleep.
I lost my key last night.
How did you get into your room?
I climbed in through a window.